Hello and welcome back to my video. This video is about Synology. I will show how you can install the Synology from scratch when you have buying from a retail store and coming home and you are excited and you take it out of the box and yeah. So first you need to put power on it, of course, and when you know the IP address like this, you can just type it in. It will automatically send you to the port 5000. So when you see this screen, the image here, it depends on which Synology you use. Then you click on setup and we say install the DSM on the local disk, and we say we understand. And now it's taking a little couple of minutes, depends on your Synology. And now it's finished, so we are ready to go in for the next step. It's restarting it. When it's back online, we will continue. When you hit this screen, we are ready to the next step. This Synology is just for testing, so I'll call it test Synology server, and with low cases. And username, I'll use my name Paris, and then my password, and I'll confirm my password. What's wrong? Only this one, so let's call it Syno server should be fine. That's weird. Just call it this one. Yes, fine. And I'm clicking this off with the share the network locations of your disk station with Synology. I don't want that when we got it in test. I will not remember this, and congratulations, we are done. And here it's asking about what we want to do, and I will always say download DSM updates and install them manually. I have it best with this way, and I don't want, okay, only on the Sunday. Yes, and that's fine. And we enable bad sector warning and run smart test. That's fine. I will not use the quick account, so we skip this step. No thanks, we don't want to help. And then we are done, and we have the guideline here, tip 3, and then we are ready to close this down. Thank you for watching to how this Synology is getting installed from scratch. You are now ready to using your amazing product from Synology. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you want to subscribe me and get more nice videos. I hope you want to make a like, add it to your playlist, and share it with your friends. Thank you, and see you next time.